Hey there, it is your friend in flowers hiding behind these Easter bunny ears and sunglasses, y'all. These girls planned so much silliness for us today. And so I am here to invite you. Today is I can't see y'all. We have to take that part off. Today's show is all about zinnias. You know, zinnias has always been in our top 10 for a cash crop, top 5 for seed sold. It's just a customer favorite, and I totally get it. Look at these beauties. These are 9 days old, by the way, y'all. So those are some zinnias. So today we're going to be talking about how to start zinnias, how to grow zinnias, when the whole enchilada, right? And if you've never joined us for our live gardening show, it happens at 12 noon on Fridays Eastern time. We also have a show on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. And it's about an hour long. We have so much fun. I do a giveaway. I demonstrate, show you how I do it, what I do it with, and why, the whole deal. And today is just officially the beginning of zinnia season for us. We have seedlings that'll be planted out next week, and it's just a great time. And of course, we plant zinnias over and over again all summer long for as many times as, depends on what you're doing, as to how many successions you'll do. And we can talk about that too. And then, because you know, I wrap up this live show with a little Q&A. So if you have a specific question, you can submit it during the show. The team gathers those up, and then I answer a few of those. So join me at 12 noon Eastern time. And to get the app, if you don't already have our phone shopping app, just search Gardener's Workshop on your phone's app store and then download shop. It's free, y'all. And you can also comment app here, and we'll DM you the actual link to get it. But the show's always a lot of fun. There's always lively conversations going on in the comments amongst all of our viewers. I do a giveaway. I do a good giveaway, y'all. We give away, I think we're giving away today a $25 store credit. That'll be tons of fun. And look, I have flowers. This is just the flowers are starting to come in, right? So you can join us. And guess what? Inside the app only, you have to have the app to get this. The zinnia seeds are 20% off. And you don't even have to have a coupon code. They are marked, priced as marked. So that's really cool too. So friends, I'm just inviting you, and as you can tell, the girls have all kinds of fun stuff planned for us. I never know what they're gonna pull out of their hat. And today it was rabbit ears. All right, friends. Hope to see you 12 noon Eastern time. Comment app if you want me to DM you the link to get the app, or you can just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop. And in fact, we have 2 phone apps, to not be confused. We have a shop app, which is where I'll be live at 12 o'clock, and we'll be talking about zinnias. But we also have a second app, which is also free, called Learn. And it's the Gardener's Workshop Learn app. And that is home base to my private flower farming membership and all of our online courses. And so if you're one of our students or a member, you should have it. But guess what? Even if you aren't a member or a student, there's a reason for you to download that app. We have a free online course over there for you. And so if you download the Learn app, in there waiting for you is how to build a trellis tunnel like I have here on my farm for you. So check that out. Get both the apps. They're free, y'all. And they work great. We are just so proud of them and love them so much. So check it out, and I hope to see you in just 15 minutes inside the app, and we will have fun, and we'll be talking zinnias. All right, friends. Ciao.